Ideas for a Country Chic Christmas. This year, we couldn't stop sharing ideas for a country chic Christmas. A warm, elegant, and magical style. If you like the ideas for a nostalgic Christmas from the video from a few days ago, this style will fascinate you. Country chic fascinates us because it is wonderful to find decoration with rustic touches, light colors together with red and green wood and natural fibers. In addition, time and patience are also used to place old, familiar elements to incorporate them back into the decoration of the home. At the entrance, the outdoor Christmas cushions can also be an ideal option for your entrance or porch, and add white light stars. In the living room, a country chic Christmas tree brings that vintage and rustic touch that we love so much. As for the decorations, anything goes: apples, pineapples, raffia, wooden decorations, and red, lots of reds. In the dining room, Country Chic Christmas centerpieces will have more pine branches and cones than any other, wicker or wooden baskets. A traditional centerpiece that does not leave aside the colors of the Christmas. kitchen. Another option with small Christmas trees is to place a wicker basket under it. We will continue to have this old and vintage air that we like so much, and the typical crown takes over the kitchen. What do you think about Country Chic Christmas decorations? We still have more. Keep watching the video. In the bedroom, pay main attention to textiles, and you may be interested in seeing the proposals that we shared a while ago about original bedrooms for Christmas.